If you want to get best hair rollers according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have self-grip hair rollers. Self-grip hair rollers have become a game changer in the world of hairstyling. As someone who loves experimenting with different hairstyles, I recently got my hands on a set of self-grip hair rollers, and I must say, I'm incredibly impressed. First and foremost, the convenience factor of these rollers is unmatched. Unlike traditional rollers that require pins or clips to secure them in place, self-grip rollers are incredibly easy to use. All you have to do is roll a section of your hair around the roller, and it instantly grips onto the hair without any additional tools. This saves me so much time and effort, especially when I'm in a hurry. Another fantastic feature of these rollers is their staying power. Once in place, they hold on to the hair tightly, ensuring that the curls or waves set properly. I've tried using them overnight, and not once did they slip or unravel. This is a huge plus for those who prefer leaving rollers in their hair for an extended period to achieve long-lasting curls. Moreover, the self-grip rollers are incredibly comfortable to sleep in. They are made with soft and flexible material, which means they don't dig into the scalp or cause any discomfort while lying down. I wake up with bouncy, voluminous curls that look natural and effortless. Cleaning and maintaining these rollers are also a breeze. They are made of high-quality materials that are durable and easy to wash. I simply rinse them with water and a bit of mild shampoo, and they're good to go for the next use. In conclusion, self-grip hair rollers have revolutionized the way I style my hair. Their convenience, staying power, comfort, and ease of maintenance make them an excellent investment for anyone looking to achieve beautiful curls or waves effortlessly. I highly recommend giving them a try. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Octocurl hair rollers. When it comes to achieving beautiful curls without heat damage, Octocurl hair rollers have become my go-to styling tool. These innovative hair rollers have exceeded my expectations and have become a game changer in my hair care routine. First and foremost, the design of Octocurl hair rollers is brilliant. They consist of flexible, curling tubes that can be bent and twisted to create various curling patterns. The versatility of these rollers allows me to experiment with different curl sizes and styles, from loose waves to tight ringlets. I love how I can customize my curls according to my mood or the occasion. One of the standout features of Octocurl hair rollers is their comfort. Unlike traditional rollers that can be uncomfortable to sleep in, Octocurl rollers are soft and cushioned. They have a gentle feel against the scalp and are lightweight, making them ideal for overnight use. I've had no trouble falling asleep with them on, and I wake up with beautiful, bouncy curls that last all day. Additionally, Octocurl hair rollers are made from high-quality materials that are safe for the hair. Since they don't require heat, they eliminate the risk of heat damage and keep my hair healthy and strong. I appreciate the fact that I can achieve stunning curls without sacrificing the health of my hair. Cleaning and maintaining Octocurl hair rollers is also a breeze. They are water-resistant, allowing me to wash them easily after use. I simply rinse them with warm water and a mild shampoo, and they dry quickly, ready for the next styling session. In conclusion, Octocurl hair rollers have revolutionized the way I curl my hair. Their innovative design, comfort, and hair-friendly properties make them a must-have for anyone who wants gorgeous curls without heat damage. I highly recommend Octocurl hair rollers for effortless and beautiful hairstyling. The number 3 position is held by Jumbo hair roller set. As someone who loves voluminous, bouncy hair, I recently tried out the Jumbo hair rollers set, and I must say, I am absolutely thrilled with the results. These jumbo-sized rollers have become an essential part of my hairstyling routine, and I can confidently say that they are worth every penny. First and foremost, the size of these rollers is impressive. They create stunning, larger-than-life curls that add incredible volume to my hair. Whether I want a glamorous, red carpet look or simply want to add some extra oomph to my everyday style, these jumbo rollers deliver outstanding results. They provide the perfect amount of lift and body, giving me the voluminous hair I've always desired. Another standout feature of the Jumbo Hair Rollers set is their ease of use. The rollers are lightweight and easy to maneuver, allowing me to roll my hair quickly and efficiently. They also come with secure clips that hold the rollers in place, preventing any slipping or unraveling. I appreciate how user-friendly these rollers are, making them suitable for beginners as well. Furthermore, the quality of the Jumbo Hair Rollers set is exceptional. They are made of durable materials that can withstand repeated use. I've been using them for a while now, and they have maintained their shape and functionality perfectly. I am confident that these rollers will last me a long time, making them a worthwhile investment. Cleaning and storing the Jumbo Hair Rollers set is also a breeze. They are easy to wipe clean and can be conveniently stored in the provided storage case, keeping them organized and ready for future use. In conclusion, the Jumbo Hair Rollers set has become my go-to solution for achieving voluminous, gorgeous curls. Their impressive size, ease of use, and excellent quality make them a standout choice. If you're looking to add incredible volume and bounce to your hair, I highly recommend giving the Jumbo Hair Rollers set a try. You won't be disappointed. Next at number 4, we have Aioiki Hair Roller Set. The Aioiki Hair Roller Set has truly impressed me with its exceptional performance and versatility. As someone who loves experimenting with different hairstyles, I have found this set to be an essential tool in achieving beautiful curls and waves. First and foremost, the variety of roller sizes in the Aioiki set is outstanding. It includes rollers of various diameters, allowing me to create a wide range of curl sizes and styles. Whether I want tight ringlets or loose, beachy waves, these rollers have got me covered. The ability to customize my curls according to my desired look is truly remarkable. The quality of the Aioiki Hair Roller Set is also top-notch. The rollers are made from high-quality materials that are durable and heat-resistant. I have used them with both hot and cold methods, and they have held up exceptionally well. The rollers heat evenly and retain heat effectively, ensuring that my curls set beautifully and last throughout the day. Additionally, the rollers are designed with a unique vented structure. This allows for excellent airflow, which not only speeds up the drying process but also ensures that my hair doesn't become excessively hot or damaged. I appreciate the thoughtful design that prioritizes the health and well-being of my hair. The ease of use of the Aioiki Hair Roller Set is worth mentioning as well. The rollers are lightweight and easy to roll into the hair, and they come with secure clips that keep them in place. I haven't experienced any slipping or tangling issues while using these rollers, which makes the styling process smooth and hassle-free. Cleaning the Aioiki Hair Roller Set is a breeze too. The rollers are water-resistant and can be easily rinsed off with water and a mild shampoo. They dry quickly and are ready for the next use, making them a convenient option. In conclusion, the Aioiki Hair Roller Set is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to achieve versatile and stunning curls. With its range of sizes, high-quality construction, excellent heat distribution, and user-friendly design, this set has exceeded my expectations. I highly recommend the Aioiki Hair Roller Set to all hairstyling enthusiasts out there. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Conair Self Grip Hair Roller. The Conair Self Grip Hair Roller Set has been a game-changer in my hairstyling routine. As someone who loves achieving effortless curls and waves, these rollers have become my go-to tool for beautiful hair. First and foremost, the self-grip feature of these rollers is truly remarkable. They eliminate the need for pins or clips, making the styling process quick and easy. All I have to do is roll a section of my hair onto the roller, and it effortlessly grips onto the hair, staying securely in place. This not only saves me time but also ensures that the curls or waves set properly. The Conair Self Grip Hair Rollers are also incredibly comfortable to wear. They are made with soft, cushioned material that doesn't dig into the scalp or cause any discomfort. I can easily wear them for an extended period, whether I'm getting ready for a special event or simply want to enhance my everyday look. The comfort factor is a significant advantage, especially for those who prefer leaving rollers in their hair for a longer duration. Another standout feature of these rollers is their versatility. The set includes different sizes, allowing me to create various curl patterns and styles. Whether I want tight curls or loose waves, the Conair self-grip hair rollers deliver excellent results. I appreciate the flexibility they offer in achieving different looks and experimenting with different hairstyles. Cleaning and maintaining these rollers are also hassle-free. They are made of high-quality materials that are easy to clean. I simply rinse them with water and a bit of mild shampoo, and they are ready for